Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. That chapter 9, rounding number. So that first question multiple MCQ. That first is C, second is B. So second question you will be see that round each of the following to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. So that 28. That nearest 10 is nearest 10 is equal to that will be 30. Nearest 10 means second digit we will make in that is the first digit we will make 0. So if you will be see here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you will be increase this one and you will be write here 0. So this will be increase 33 and then this is a 0. Second part that is 35. 35, so that nearest 10 is equal to that is 5, so this will be 0 and this will be increase, that is 4. Third part that is 376. 376, so nearest 10 is equal to this is the 6, so that will be 0 and this will be increase, that will be 8. And then fourth part that is 299. 299, so nearest 10 is equal to that is a 9, so this will be 0 and this will be increased, that will be 0, this will be 3. Fifth part that 334. 334, so nearest 10 is equal to this will be 0 and this is the 4, so this will be not changed, this will be same. Now that nearest 100, that is a third question. By nearest 100, 316. Now nearest 100, that will be double digit will be 0 for 100 and we will see that one this digit. If this is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then will be increase this one, either then this will be same. Again I am explaining, if this is a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this will be increase, either then same. This is the first part. Second part of this one 676. 676, so nearest 100 is equal to that is 00 for 100, this is 7, so this will be changed, this will be 7. And then you can see that fourth part, third part you can do 841, nearest 100 is equal to 00 will be come here by 100, this is the 4, so this will be not change, that is the fifth part. Fifth part is 9456. 9456. 9456, so nearest 100 is equal to that will be 20 will become same and this is a 5, so this will be increased, that will be 5 and then 9. Question number 4, that is nearest 1000. Nearest 1000, so obviously that will become 5206, so nearest 1000 is equal to 30 will become. Now we will see that this one digit, if here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this will be increase, either then that will be same. Second part is that 3850. 3850, so nearest 1000 is equal to that is 30 will become same because we are doing the 1000 and this is the 8, so this will be changed, this will be 4. and then see one more part is that last part, fifth part. Other part you can do 22185. So nearest 1000 is equal to 30 will become same, and then 1 2 3, this is a 1, so this will be not change, this will be 2 and 2, and then round each of the following of 10,000, that is 10,000. 5 first part, that 75396, nearest 10,000, 10,000, that will be, now will be write 4 zeros, and then 1 2 3 4th digit, we will see that this is the 5, so this will be increase, that will be 8, and then second part, that is 78914, nearest 10,000, that is 40 will come 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this is the 8, so this will be changed, this will be changed in 8, and then see one more part, that fifth part, and other part you can do 6, nearest 10,000 is equal to 40 will come same, and then that is 1 2 3 4, this is a 6 3, so 6 will be same. Okay, and then after next exercise, that will be first is the filling the box, so nearest 100th, so that will be first box 23460, and then nearest of 10, that will be 23.500, the nearest one, that will be 20. Similarly second box you can fill. Now that question number 2, question number 2 of exercise 9.2, so that is round each of the following in nearest one, first is 24.5, so nearest 1, so that is equal to, this is the, here we will write the 0, here we will nearest 1 means that will be nearest 1, so this one will be decimal 1 will be write the 0, decimal 1 will be write the 0, so that will be 25, because this is the 5, here if here will be 5 6 7 8 9, then this will be, this one change, either than that will be same, and then 32.6, 6, nearest 1 is equal to 33 by 6, third part 96.7, nearest 1 is equal to 97, fourth part is that 99.8, so that nearest 1 is equal to, that is 100, fifth part that 212.9, so nearest 1 is equal to, that is 213, And then third question, round each of the following is the nearest tenth. So after decimal we will see that 35.39. So that nearest tenth means th, so that after decimal we will see that. So that 35.54. So that will be, if this is a 5 6 7 8 9, then you will increase this one. Second part, that 339.96. So nearest tenth is equal to 339 decimal, that will be 10. So we can't write that 10, so that will be 40.0. So that third part is that 875.55. So nearest tenth is equal to 875.6. That will be, see the fourth part, 468.07. So nearest tenth is equal to, that is 468.1. 47.1. And then fifth part you can do. Okay.